Hey everyone, just want to share with you guys this method I've got for cleaning a cell phone charging port. I've been doing it this way for about a year and it's been extremely successful. Matter of fact, this charging port before I started using this method had gotten so bad I had already ordered another charging port. Matter of fact, this would have been the second time I've had to replace a charging port. I replaced it previously a few years before then. And this has been about a year ago when this happened. And so I'd order the charging port, and then I come across these little tiny Q-tips. Now, in my PlayStation 4 video, I'd already come across a larger version of this. I didn't know they had this small of a version, but this is what you get at Hobby Lobby. It's tightly packed Q-tips. They're hard and tightly packed, and they're small enough to go into a USB port or other small cell phone charging port, basically. And so basically what you do is you want at least 91% alcohol or better. You can get 99%. You don't want to go with 70%. Or other contact cleaners such as deoxit or other CLC contact cleaner, something like that. You want to put some alcohol on it. And go down about halfway. You don't want to put a lot of pressure because you don't want to break this port. And you don't want to dislodge any pins. Go down about halfway. And go back and forth. I've recently cleaned this, so I may not get much off. Just go back and forth. And you see as you're doing it, it kind of flattens it a little bit. But these tips are so tight that they don't fall apart like a regular swab would. And see, I'm getting a little bit. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. And once you're getting no more, then what you want to do is use your dry end. You want to dry the rest of the debris off. Even if you're using something totally non-conductive like deoxit, I still like getting all the debris off I possibly can. It just, it gets the last little bit of dirt, as you're doing it as well. Okay, so that's pretty much all the debris off. And you can weigh a little bit, if you feel like there may be a tiny bit of water. There's only a small percent of water in here. And usually this pretty much gets it all. And the residual that you might have is not going to really hurt anything, but you can weigh a little bit if you feel like you need to. I used to work in a cell phone repair facility, and this is nothing compared to some of the stuff we used to do there, But anyway, but this has worked extremely effective for me. And like I said, I just stumbled across this method. And I've never seen it on YouTube, so I thought I would share it with you guys. And I still got my charging port sitting in a bag, in case I ever need it, to install it. But like I say, so far, knock on wood, it's been working. So, well, I just want to share this and hope it helped you guys out. And oh yeah, there's the larger port, the larger swab I mentioned earlier. I showcased this on repairing a PlayStation 5 video as far as the charging port goes. I think I did a video on that about a year or two ago, for cleaning a USB port, and it's basically good for cleaning the larger ports like USB-A, the flat ports, the rectangular ones, and also HDMI ports. That's what the bigger version of this is good for. This should work on any small cell phone. So anyway, just want to share this with you guys, and hope y'all have a good one.